kubor baman kesngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni.
Start of a significant project that will enhance education.
Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Madam, you have to.
Right here in Pahamsyiem. This project has been finalized. The SNEC has already given its approval. This will have an auditorium, state-of-the-art auditorium, so that you can have any kind of programs that you wish. This will have small conference rooms and halls, so that small programs can take place. There will be rooms inside in case people need to stay. So this entire thing, concept has already been finalized, and this is something that we would like to work with the locality, with the Ramashnagar and Zorba out here, so that there can be a joint management of this space, and the local authorities can also use this at your desire, your will. So we'll work out the mechanism on how we can jointly manage this. But to answer to your question, this is the hall that you wanted. I don't think there's been a quicker sanction ever in your life. So you have just asked me right now, and I'm giving it to you right now. So this has already been sanctioned, and as I said, very soon we are just waiting for the final paperwork to be done.
Dipat ba jong kanong song jong ka consultancy gedungi ang mga class na class 6, class 7, class 8 na school.
Banyo iki kubor baman kesngi sumhawan subscribe ika channel unang yalam news. Kumle shibu.